Put values here and simplify it. 2 into 22 into 21 into 14 divided by 7. I calculated it directly. Do the calculations yourself here.
Yes, sir, it is right.
Let's move to next question. Question number 9. If the radius and height of right cylinder are in the ratio 1:3 and the total surface area is 1232 square centimeter. This is one cylinder. Look at another one also. Are you observing these two figures?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what differences you got here? In first figure, angle of circle at bottom with height of cylinder is 90 degree, isn't it?
Yes,
यो फिगरमा सिलिन्डरको हाइट र बटममा भएको सर्कलको एंगल कति डिग्री छ त? It
90
is
degree.
of 90 degree. But in another figure, it is not 90 degree. यो पनि सिलिन्डर नै हो. काट्दाखेरि when taking a cylindrical pipe, while cutting it, it is not made the angle of 90 degree. काट्दाखेरि 90 degree को एंगल बनाएको छैन. Slanted छड्के हुने गरी काटिएको छ. So here in this chapter, we are only discussing about the cylinder like this. First cylinder जस्ता सिलिन्डरहरूको बारेमा मात्रै डिस्कसन गर्दैछौँ. यो पनि सिलिन्डर नै हो अर्को पनि, but we are not discussing about this second type of cylinder. And this first type of cylinder is called right cylinder हो. यस्तै सिलिन्डरलाई right cylinder भन्ने हो. यहाँ cylinder भने पनि अथवा right cylinder भने पनि we have to use the same formula for it. Just only to make you understand the meaning of right cylinder, I discussed about it. Otherwise, that is a not different term for us. Just you have to know the meaning of it. Okay. राइट सिलिन्डर भनेको थियो, त्यहाँनिर पनि हामीले त्यही फर्मुलाहरू युज गर्यौँ. अर्को खाली सिलिन्डर मात्रै भनेको थियो, त्यतिखेर पनि त्यही फर्मुला युज गर्यौँ भन्ने नहोस् भन्नको लागि क्लियर गराइदिएको बाई द फिगर्स. नाउ according to the ratio 1:3, which is the ratio of radius and height of the right cylinder, we have to let the radius and height be x as well as 3x,
3x.
because ratio of radius and height is 1:3. And surface area is 1232 cm square. It is total surface area. And by using these data, total surface area as well as radius and height, their ratio, we have to find out the radius and height at first. And after finding radius and height at first, we can calculate the volume easily. So let's move to its solution. Given value to us is total surface area of cylinder is 1232. R is to H. Ratio of radius and height is 1:3. So we can say let radius is equal to x and height is equal to 3x according to this ratio. And question asked to us is volume is equal to what? Find out the volume that is asked to us. So for it, use formula of total surface area which is given to us. हामीले दिएकै भ्यालुको फर्मुला युज गर्ने हो to find out the unknown value. So total surface area is equal to 2 pi r times r plus h. Put all given values which we know. Total surface area 1232. 2 into pi 22 by 7 r. We said let it be x and r plus h, that is x plus 3x. Next one, 2 into 22. It is 44 divided by 7 into x plus 3x. What is the value of x plus 3x?
4x.
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 Okay. So it is 44 by 7 into x into 4x. X into x square. 4 into 44, multiply it and it becomes 176. Divided by 7 remains as it is. Take it to another side. It becomes 1232 into 7 by 176. While taking to another side in division, we have to make a reciprocal of it. Get its final value
49.
1049. Okay.
X is equal to 7.
So x square is equal to 49. X is equal to 7
7.
centimeter. That means radius is equal to 7 centimeter. And what will be the height?
3x.
7
Height
into
is equal to
3.
3x. 3 into 7, which is 21
21
centimeter.
centimeter.
Now use the formula to find out the volume. And we know
Pi r
formula for
square
volume,
h.
pi r square h. Value of pi is 22 by 7. R square means 7 square into h is 21. So it is 22 by 7 into 49 into 21. And finally it becomes 3234 cubic centimeter. So if anyone have any problem in any line, you may ask it to me.
No
No
problem.
problem, sir.
Okay, if there is no problem, look at question number 10 now. It is a bit different, because of that reason I included this one also after 9. The curved surface area of cylinder is 880 square centimeter and its volume is 770 cm cube. Two values are given. One given thing is curved surface area, another one is volume. So question is find its diameter and height. We have to find out diameter as well as the height of the cylinder. So use the given formula for given things. Given things are here. Those are curved surface area as well as volume. Radius is not given, so I said let it be r. Height h. Curved surface area 880 square centimeter. And formula for curved surface area is 2 pi rh, which is equal to 880. Let it is equation first. Now second one, volume. Volume is equal to 770 cubic centimeter. And what is the formula for volume?
Pi r square h.
Pi r square h is equal to 770. This is equation second. Now to solve these two equations, equation first and equation second, as we divided equation first by second or second by first in chapter of compound interest, do similar process here also. एउटा इक्वेशनलाई अर्को इक्वेशनले डिवाइड गर. So right here dividing equation first by second. Okay, now what can be cancelled here? After dividing equation first by second, माथिको equation first हो and lower one is equation
Pi r h.
second. Equation first divided by equation second. The values cancelled here.
Pi r h and
Pi
2
and pi cancelled. Similarly from r and r square, one r is
1 r.
cancelled. Similarly h and h also cancelled.
Yes.
The remaining value again 0 and 0 also cancelled.
Yes.
And both are divisible by 11.
Yes. 8 by
11 8 is 88, 11 7 is 77. So remaining values here are 2 by r is equal to 8 by 7.
7.
Do cross multiplication now. 8r is equal to 14 and r is equal to 14 divided by 8, which is equal to 1.75. And it is said to find out the diameter. To find out the diameter, we have to multiply it by 2. If it is multiplied by 2, it becomes 3.5 centimeter. So one answer we get here, that is diameter.
Height.
So another thing is also remaining, height. Now we obtain the value of r, and after getting the value of r, we can put this value either in equation first or in equation second. So by putting this value in equation first or in equation second, we will get the value of h. So now putting value of r in equation first is 2 pi r h is equal to 880. Put value of pi as well as r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 1.75 into h is equal to 880. So after multiplying and dividing it by 7, I get here 11. Check it yourself also. 2 into 22 into 1.75 divided by 7. Is this 11 or not?
Yes, sir. That is
11? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now divide 880 by 11 to get value of H. H is equal to 880 divided by 11.
1180.
11
It's
8 is 88. That means H is equal to 80
80.
centimeter. So in this way we get diameter is equal to 3.5 centimeter and height is equal to 80 centimeter. These are our required answer. Look at this question. Question number 14. A metal pipe is 70 centimeter in length. Length of metal pipe is given to us and its internal diameter is 24 mm and thickness is 1 mm. Did you got it? We are in the case of question related to hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder sanga related case ayo. The metal pipe is 70 centimeter in length. Its length of this pipe given in figure is 70 centimeter. Internal diameter is 24 mm. That means internal radius is 12 mm. Thickness
Yes.
is 1 mm. That means external radius is on 12 mm add 1 mm more thickness motai 1 mm 7 13 mm external radius भयो. Similarly, one another thing given to us is if 1 cube of metal weighs 0.02 gram, 1 cube को weight for the pipe for volume of 1 cube, its weight is 0.02 gram. Find the weight of pipe. So at first we have to find out the total volume of this hollow cylinder, and after finding total volume of hollow cylinder, multiply it by 0.02 gram because 1 cube is equal to 0.02 gram. So for this volume 1 cube, weight is given in terms of 1 cube is equal to 0.02 gram. Because of that reason we have to convert other units also into mm. You 70 centimeters 11 millimeter ma change garnu paryo. And after converting it we can calculate the volume of hollow cylinder, and after calculating volume of hollow cylinder we'll easily get the weight of this pipe. And here length of pipe given to us is 70 centimeter. If we will multiply it by 10 it will become mm, so it becomes 700 mm. Similarly, internal diameter of pipe is 24 mm. That means internal radius is 12 mm. Thickness of pipe is 1 mm. As I already said, radius plus 1. भित्रको radius 1 mm थियो, sorry 12 mm थियो. On it, if 1 mm thickness is added, it becomes external radius 13 mm. And we have the formula volume of metal contained in the pipe is equal to pi h bracket capital R square minus small r square. This is the formula to find out the volume of material or metal contained in hollow cylinder. So put all values which we know. Pi is 22 by 7. H height of pipe or length of pipe, that is 700 mm, into capital R external radius is 13, internal radius small r is 12. Find out value of 13 square 169, 12 square 144, and value which are outside here. Divide 700 by 7, 100 remains here. 100 into 22, it is 2200, 2200 into 169 minus 144. Subtract it.
25.
25 into 2200. Now multiply these two.
55,000.
55,000 millimeter cube or cubic millimeter. And now after calculating volume of it, write other given things in next sentence. 1 cube of metal weighs 0.02 gram and weight of whole pipe is equal to, multiply this 55,000 by 0.02, it gives us 1,100 gram. Now to convert it into kilogram, divided by 1000, that will be 1.1 kilogram, and it is our required answer. And let's move to next question. So look at the question number 15. I included 15 also after 14 because it is also a different question. From a cubical tank of side 12 centimeter, which is full of water, the content is poured into a cylindrical vessel of radius 3.5 centimeter. What will be the height of water level in the vessel? So you may understand the question from this figure in better way. This is a cubical tank whose length is 12 centimeter. Its length is 12 centimeter. Its breadth is also 12, height is also 12. And inside it, there is water and it is completely full of water. यो भित्र टनाटन पानी छ, which is full of water. And the content is poured into cylindrical vessel of radius 3.5. Radius of this cylinder, that means this one, is 3.5
5 centimeter.
centimeter. And we don't know up to where it will fill. यहाँको पानी यो सिलिन्ड्रिकल भेसल भित्र कम्प्लिटली कहाँसम्म फिल हुन्छ भन्ने थाहा छैन. The question asked to us is, what will be the height of water level in the vessel? For let us assume that it will fill up to here. ल यहाँसम्म भरिन्छ भन्ने मान्यो भने हामीले यहाँसम्मको हाइट कति छ यो फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने हो. We have to find out this height up to where the water will be filled inside it. यो सिलिन्ड्रिकल भेसलसम्म कहाँसम्म पानी भरिन्छ त्यहाँसम्मको हाइट निकाल्नु पर्ने. So for that reason, at first we have to find out the volume of water which is there in the cubical vessel. यो cubical vessel भित्र भएको water को volume निकाल्नु पर्यो. And that volume is equal to the volume inside the cylindrical vessel. Cylindrical vessel भित्र त्यति नै पानी भरिने हो जति पानी cubical vessel भित्र छ. And we know the radius of cubical vessel. Cubical vessel को radius थाहा छँदैछ. And by using the formula of volume of cylindrical
Cylindrical
shape,
vessel.
because the water will remain in cylindrical shape inside the cylindrical vessel. Cylindrical vessel भित्र पानी कस्तो शेपमा रहन्छ त cylindrical शेपमा रहन्छ. यो सिलिन्डरकै हाइट फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने होइन. We don't have to find out the height of cylinder. We have to find out the height of water inside this. यो भित्र कति हाइटसम्म पानी गयो भन्ने थाहा पाउनु पर्ने. Length of cube is 12 centimeter. So volume of cube is L cube. You know the formula. Volume of cube is equal to L cube, which is 12 cube. Find out the cube of 12.
1728.
1728 cm cube. Okay. And radius of cylindrical vessel is 3.5 centimeter. So height of water in cylindrical vessel that is asked to us. यही कुरा सोधेको छ that we have to find out here. And we know that water of cube is poured into vessel. So volume of water in cylinder is equal to volume of cube. And we know the formula for volume of water in cylinder, pi r square h, and volume of cube 1728. Put the values which we have. Value of pi 22/7, value of r 3.5 centimeter, and h we don't have. So it's 22/7 into 3.5 square into h is equal to 1728. Find out the square of 3.5 and multiply that with 22 and divide it by 7. 3.5 square into 22 divided by 7. Find out its value.
38.5.
38.5 into h is equal to 1728, or h is equal to 1728 divided by 38.5. Divide this one also.
44.88.
It is equal to 44.88. So height of water inside the cylindrical vessel is 44.88 centimeter. This is our required answer. Let's look at our book. Exercise 6.1. We did one question from 1 number, 2 number, 2 questions. Similarly, 3 also. Look at 4. Find the volume of cylinder whose radius is 7 and height is 13. Radius as well as height, both values are given to us. So easily by using formula, we can find out the volume. Question number 5. Height and total surface area of solid cylinder are given here. Height is given. Similarly, total surface area is also given. So by using formula of total surface area, we can find out the radius of cylinder easily. 6 number we did today. Question number 7. If the curved surface area of cylinder is 2464 and height is 28, find its volume. By using formula of curved surface area 2 pi r h and height h, we can find out the radius at first. First मा यसबाट निकाल्नु पर्ने भनेको radius हो, and after finding the radius we can find out the volume because we know the height. If we know the radius also, we know the formula of volume pi r square h. So look at question number 8 after this. Total surface area of solid cylinder is 880 square centimeter and the radius of circular base is 4. Radius as well as total surface area is given. So at first by using formula of total surface area 2 pi r bracket r plus h, find out its height, and after finding height use formula of volume pi r square h and get the volume. And similarly in question number 9, the radius and height of, we did this question, sorry, we already did this one, and question number 10 also. Look at question number 11 now. The volume of cylinder is 770 cubic centimeter and circumference of circular base of the cylinder is 44. Find its height. Did you got the meaning of this one? This is one cylinder given to us 770. Volume pi r square h is 770 and circumference of circular base is 44 centimeter.